Hey everybody, it's me again. So, everybody, I've never done this one before. So, I don't know how it's going to taste, but it's going to be citrus and citrus. All right. So, I've done this with the originals, but I've never done it with this one. So, Smirnoff Ice and Screwdriver in with the Bacardi Zombie, and we'll see on how it's gonna taste. I forgot my glass, so give me a second here. Get my glass. Let me get my little instrument. Okay, here it is. Alright, now, here we go. They're gonna go in both put together. And we'll see on how this is gonna be. I have a feeling this is going to be really fucking good. There, because they're both citrusy. And, this stuff always gets me some kind of in trouble or something. But I never had it with a screwdriver, so. Anyways, here we go, guys. Oh, man, look at that green. That looks nice. That looks nice on camera. Hell yeah. Anyways, here we go. Everybody, here we go. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's some good stuff. That's some very good stuff right there. Well, I have it again. Sure enough. Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. The Smirnoff ice screwdriver is good alone. But you add that freaking Bacardi Zombie to it. Woo! Yeah, there's some good stuff there. So, definitely be seeing that again. Definitely. Hell yeah. Everybody, just to remember now to have mercy and have a nice day. Yeah.